Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Food Savours. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. So our today's recipe is Aloo Qeema recipe. For this we need
ingredients: boneless beef, potatoes, tomatoes, onions, garlic and ginger, peas, lemon, red chili powder, chili flakes, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, garam masala, oil, water. Let's start.
So we will wash the meat before mincing. Now we will mince the meat in the mincing machine. Make sure to put the meat one by one in the mincing machine so that the meat doesn't get stuck inside the machine. For this recipe, we need the meat to be minced properly so that the meat can be cooked within. Do you know who invented the keema recipe? The Khan Samaj royal cooks of several Mughal rulers and Nawabs invented many keema delicacies to please their beloved kings and the royal appetite of the court. One of the most popular ways to make keema is as a dry curry served with paratha or naan. At the end of the video, you will see how delicious this recipe looks like. So the meat is properly minced. Now we will start adding our ingredients. So here we have garlic, ginger, green chili, lemon, peas, potatoes which are already peeled and washed, tomatoes, onions and minced meat. Now let's get started with the video and start making our delicious keema recipe. So we will start with the mincing of vegetables. We will add the onions in the mincing machine one by one. We need the onions to be properly minced. Adding the onions one by one will allow the onions to get minced properly. Make sure that you minced only the onions with the meat. So now we will start mincing the remaining vegetables. First we will add all the green chilies, ginger, and we will start mincing. You will start to see the green chilies and ginger. Then slowly add the garlic cloves into the mincing machine. Mince the garlic with the ginger and green chili as well. Keep a bowl under the mincing machine nozzle. Afterwards, now add the tomatoes to the mincing machine where the meat is already minced. Now the tomatoes are minced properly. Add the peas as well to the mixture. Keep a pot on the stove and start adding first water. Add the mixture containing peas, tomatoes, onions and the meat into the pot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more recipes. You can see the mixture in the cooking pot. Give it a stir so that the mixture can get mixed together. Now add the green chili, garlic and ginger mixture to it as well. Give it a stir as well. Put your heat on normal to medium flame. Now start adding the main ingredients. Red chili powder. Add these spices as per your liking. Chili flakes. Make sure to add these less. Coriander powder. Turmeric powder. Garam masala. Salt as per your liking. And put the lid back onto the cooking pot. Now we will start with the potatoes. We will cut the potatoes into small cubes so that they are easily softened. Now I am done with the potatoes. We will rinse the potatoes properly so that no residue is left on top of the potatoes. Now I am going to check that how much of the water is left from the minced meat. You can see the water coming out of the meat. This is the indication that the meat is getting cooked. Give it a little stir and put the lid back onto the cooking pot. Keep checking the meat that it is cooked properly or not and the water is absorbed or not. And then gradually give it a stir again and then close the lid back on top of the cooking pot. This way we'll keep on checking the meat that it is cooked or not. When you see the water all absorbed, then it means that the meat is cooked. I hope you can get the smell of this delicious recipe that I am making. Now keep on stirring the meat so that the meat doesn't get stick onto the pot. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Here you get the easiest Pakistani recipes on your fingertips. Now add the oil into the cooking pot. And gradually give it a stir as well. We will keep on adding the oil so that the meat can get fried as well. Keep on stirring the meat. Now add 2 huge spoons of oil into the cooking pot. Here you can add any type of spices you want. I will add the salt because I like more salt in my food. Salt brings out the taste of the food. Here I added the fenugreek leaves. Keep on cooking the meat so that the oil is properly dissolved into the meat. Add your lemon squeeze into the meat. This will bring out the flavor of the recipe. At the last stages, add the vinegar, not more than a teaspoon. Keep on cooking the meat properly. I have added the potatoes into the microwave so that it can get soft. Stir it properly so that the meat doesn't get stuck underneath the pot. The potatoes are done. I will take them out and look that they are soft or not. Yes, they seem soft enough. Add the potatoes into the pot. And mix the potato with the meat properly. Here I have added the garam masala more to the meat so that I can get the enhanced flavor. Now give it a good stir. And keep it cooking until you hear the sizzling voice. So my recipe is almost done. I will garnish it with green chilies, cut parsley, and that's it. My aloo keema is ready, delicious and yummy. If you need more easy recipe, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you for watching this channel. If you need more recipes, let me know down in the comment box. Thank you for watching.